Hi, scholars. I just want to share with you how to do a split screen so that you can work in both Nearpod and Zoom. Right now, I am on a Zoom call. Let's pretend this is a Zoom call with somebody else. Right now, I just am on a call with myself. But you have a window in here to take the Zoom call. Then what you're going and you could see down here all the tabs for the regular Zoom call. I'm the only one participating right now. Um, oops. Um, but you would see yourself here. So what you first need to do is you need to figure out how to split your screen for Zoom. And what you can do is a lot of different people, like for mine, for instance, I could grab onto the window here. It's a separate window and I need to pull and drag. If I pull up to the top, I can see the two arrows here and I can drag it going across this way. So in a Zoom call, you want to minimize the person who's talking and see the other content. So let's say I have my Zoom call here and I want to look at my Google Classroom now. I can only see about half of my Google Classroom now. But what I can also do on this is I can also minimize this. So I drag this until I see the arrow. I drag it across here. And then I can see a little bit of my Zoom call and I can see a little bit of my assignment. So let's say I wanted to do a Nearpod. I could click on the Nearpod here that's in the classroom. Or in a Zoom, I could give you a code for a Nearpod lesson. So let's say I'm doing this Nearpod lesson. I have to give my name and join the session. And then I could be listening to the teacher teaching or me teaching, right? And I could be watching this. And then I would be in charge of showing you these different slides. And then if it says to do something like answer a question, you could actually type in the question. My favorite subject is science. So when you're minimizing screen, when you're trying to do split screen, you have to have one screen with the Zoom, which is right here, and one screen with your work or your Nearpod. So again, if I just had my Zoom up like this, I would have to first bring it back and then I would have to click on the actual work and make it so that I can see both sides. So you're gonna have to play around with it a little bit, but remember, you're looking for the arrows to minimize and maximize your screen here. You can make even Zoom call smaller if you just want to be in one corner, or if you wanted whoever was talking to be in one corner, or you could do it half and half if you wanted to. You can decide how much of the screen you want to put on, but half of it would be Zoom and half of it would be your assignment. That way you can work on both at the same time. So that's what we call split screening. I hope this is helpful for you, and I want you to practice doing split screening to be ready to do our live Zoom sessions. Have a good day.